edge of time. Will you hold me tight? Please don't say goodnight. Maybe I'll find my way to you.
Evelyn, you're even more beautiful than I remember.
Forgive me, but I couldn't help staring. Your playing is beyond words.
Well, I find that when words fail, music speaks. Do you play? Let's start with something simple then.
Oh, no, you need to face reality, honey.
I need to face reality.
Just listen to me for once.
You'll never
Stop
hear.
dreaming.
Oh, he's
You're
working.
living in this
They
fantasy.
need you.
We're
You're
struggling
present, but you're never there for
financially.
them.
I
For
can't
me.
support this family alone.
Fine. Have it your way.
No, stop, Evelyn, please.
Happy?
Extremely.
You're unbelievable. I can't do this right now.
Stop! Please, darling! Don't go! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This was my fault. You have to help her. She needs you.
I'm sinking in the dark. Somebody help me out.
Are you okay?
I will be.
We will be. I promise.
No, let him stay.
Daddy, have you ever gone time traveling before?
No, Annie, I haven't. Have you?
No, but if I could, I'd go back and meet Mama. She was pretty, wasn't she?
Yes, darling. So very pretty. She was as kind as you, as brave as Eric, and much more creative than Daddy.
Do you play?
Don't you dare play that song.
Dad, you have to stop. We get that you miss Mum, but she's gone.
Stop the car. I said stop the car.
What are you doing?
I don't appreciate your disrespectful tone, Eric.
Dad, I appreciate you trying to play happy families for once. But I'm tired of this.
Of what?
Of you thinking you can just pick up where you left us.
Eric, you don't have to do this.
After years of never being there for us. Okay, of always working on your little time machine. Wake up, old man.
Eric!
Eric, get back here right this minute.
Eric, come back! Eric!
Wouldn't changing the past change who you've become?
What?
Eric, after all these years, it takes Dad's death to bring you back. I ain't just gonna leave without a word.
He promised he'd be there for us when Mum passed. Okay, but he never was. I took care of you. I was your brother, your father, your mother.
Amber's not gonna bring him back.
Neither is pity.
I just wish we had more time with him. It's only when time's taken from us that we realize how precious it is. Anastasia Powell speaking.
Annie,
Dad?
I don't have much time left.
What are you saying?
I love you. I wasn't the father you deserve.
Don't say that. You're gonna be okay. Daddy?